With the IVECO S-WAY model year 19th, we introduce remote services, allowing workshop operators to remotely connect to the vehicle to perform a diagnosis or a programming. Our product and services are becoming highly dependent on software, enabling new functionalities and applications, also impacting on the onboard systems that will need to be updated. Today, I will show you the new features for fleet managers and drivers. It is available right now, and we call it Over the Air Update. IVECO Over the Air Update will allow fleet managers and drivers to keep their vehicles up to date without the need to go to the workshop and waste time. Fleet managers and drivers will be notified when a new update is available by receiving an alert on the IVECO On portal and an email with the needed steps to follow for the update procedure. These updates are released by the IVECO quality team. Let's now get on board the new S-WAY and dive into this new feature. Okay, we are now on board the truck, and first of all, the settings. Software updates can be performed either through the infotainment system or more simply through the IVECO EasyWay app. For both procedures, we need an IVECO On registered user. Safety is very important. For all remote service functionalities, the vehicle should be in a safe place with key on, engine off, and parking brake on. On the infotainment, the user will see a new icon. When pressed, the vehicle will connect to the IVECO cloud and check if there are any updates. The user will select the updates to perform and press download. There will be a service disclaimer to be agreed on and a safety message. Once pressed start, the system will ask for a PIN code to allow only authorized users to perform the update. The PIN code could be generated by the IVECO On app or on the IVECO On portal. The user needs to insert into the infotainment the generated PIN and press OK. The system will download the update from the cloud. Now is programming. The vehicle has been updated without the need to go to the workshop. The system is now checking if there are any other available updates, and no other over-the-air updates are available. So we are ready to go. In case you need support on these new functionalities, you can contact us on the dedicated number or send us an email to telematics@iveco.com.